If you own a property in the Ampang Jaya, Kuala Lumpur area, today I'll be doing a video tutorial on how to pay for your Cukai Taksiran online. So here I have with me a sample copy of the Cukai Taksiran. Before we continue, hit the like button and subscribe button below to stay tuned for more.
So what you're going to do now is go to icom.mpaj.gov.my and then you want to register by clicking Daftar Sekarang. So you can register for an account at ICOM, choose the type of registration. So whether you are warga negara, bukan warga negara atau perniagaan. So whether you're citizen, non-citizen or a business. So fill in your email, name, phone number, address, postcode, state, password and then register. And then after you're registered, you'll be in your home page of your account. So for now, ICOM can be used to mencetak bil dan penyata bagi pemilik sahaja dan membuat pembayaran bil Cukai Taksiran. And then also for other real estate matters in MPAJ area, you can do permohonan dan pembayaran permit ubah suai dalaman tanpa ubah structure atau. So this is for application and payment for application permit in the house without altering the structure of the building. So for now, we want to focus on the bil Cukai Taksiran. So we're going to click Taksiran, and then the next page here, we want to add the account number. So that's the contoh for the account number. So click tambah account and then key in the account number. So you can find the account number in your bil Cukai Taksiran under nombor hak milik. That's the nombor account. You can key in your account number. And then after you key in your account number, you see that your account number, name and so the address of the property is stated here. And then you want to click Bayar to pay. Then the next page in Pembayaran, you see your account number, name and so the amount you need to pay. So you can pay via SPS, Visa or MasterCard. And then you receive the receipt from MPAJ. So you have the name, number, IC number, address and then the other information detail on the receipt. So if you find today's video helpful, click the like button and subscribe below to stay tuned for more.